Hey art friends, today we're drawing another thing for school. What are we drawing this time?
A funny school locker.
And we hope you're excited to follow along with us. We're using a lot of what shape?
Square rectangles.
Yeah, rectangles. This lesson uses a lot of rectangles and some circles, but the main thing is rectangles.
Yes.
And then also at the end, we're gonna decorate our lockers. So this is a super fun lesson to customize and change it any way you want. All right, you ready to start?
Let's do it.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start with the first rectangle. We're gonna draw it really big. I'm gonna start over here on the left side. We'll draw a straight line down to about there. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of the rectangle. So it kind of looks like the letter L. This line's shorter. And I'm trying to balance it so that it's the same distance on this side as we have over here. And it's okay if it's a little off. Yeah, there you go. Then we're gonna draw the top of our rectangle, a straight line, and try to match the same length up here at the top. I'm gonna draw it a little longer. And then we're gonna draw the last line coming straight down to connect.
Mine's a pretty wide locker.
I like it. You can fit more stuff in it.
Yeah.
Okay, next we're gonna draw another rectangle for the door, and we're gonna draw it smaller. So we can start here inside. We're gonna draw that straight line down and also across. Yeah, and then over on the bottom. And then we're gonna repeat by drawing the upside down letter L to finish the small rectangle. Now let's draw smaller rectangles, 2 for the hinges. We can add this cute, fun little detail to make it more like a locker.
Yeah.
So we got 2 really small hinges, and we could also split them in the middle.
Then the door doesn't come off when you open it.
Yeah, good point. Yeah. Then we could draw the legs to our locker. Let's draw 2 small rectangles down here to match on each side. And then let's draw the handle and also the combination part. We're gonna draw another rectangle right here, and it's really small and off to this side. Yes. Okay, down at the bottom, let's add the combination. So I'm gonna draw a circle, and maybe a smaller circle inside, and then we can color that one in. Now for the handle, let's draw another rectangle, but skinnier, going up from the combo. That's the part you hang on to unlatch it.
Yeah.
Okay, next, sometimes lockers get smelly and sweaty
yeah.
inside, so you need some vents at the top and also the bottom.
Your crusty sandwich from 4 months ago.
From 4 months ago. Let's draw a really long, skinny rectangle up at the top. I'm gonna draw it that size. And then let's repeat that 2 more times. Right below it. I'm gonna just match. And if you need more time, you can always
pause the video.
Yes. If you want to also take time to add even different details.
Yeah.
Oh, let's draw 2 more vents down here at the bottom. Maybe these vents could even be shorter just to make them more unique. I'm going to draw them right here, just 2. We finished our locker, except we definitely need one more thing. It's not very funny.
Funny face.
Yeah, funny face.
That's why I blew the mic out.
It's okay. We're gonna draw a funny face. Let's draw it up here at the top. Oh, you could add it down here at the bottom. Let's leave this space for stickers. I'm gonna draw a, what kind of funny face this time? I'm gonna draw a smile, and then, ooh, we could draw a really happy. I'm gonna draw, I'm not sure what I wanna draw. I'm gonna draw really happy. There we go. And a funny tongue down here at the bottom, and teeth. Kind of doing the same thing in the last few lessons. I need to come up with a new mouth.
Yeah.
But I like it. It's
Mine's like singing.
You can. It's like, change my locker, socks. I still have lunch in here.
Yes.
Help. And I'm going to draw the eyes and 2 little highlights. Like that. Yours is singing. Yes. Oh, maybe you have an instrument in yours.
Oh, yeah.
You can color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. We did it! We finished drawing our funny locker, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, and we can also decorate it differently. We could add stickers or change the colors.
Yes.
Okay, you ready to fast forward?
Let's do it.
Austin, we did it! We finished coloring our lockers and they turned out awesome. I love those decorations.
I know, the stickers look really good too.
Yeah, and I love that you changed the color, and still my favorite is the face.
Thank you.
Now you can change your colors, you can change the stickers, you could even add a backpack. Oh, even more lockers would be really cool.
That would be cool.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a school locker.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.